Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you Vivo Y19 screenshot settings. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to take screenshot of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. Today I'm going to tell you some different ways. So the first way is that you just have to scroll down your control panel and here you will easily get the screenshot or super screenshot option. Just tap on it and then select the type of screenshot which you want to take. If you want to take only screenshot, you can easily select screenshot, but if you want to select long screenshot, so it will take a screenshot of this scrolled area of your phone. You can easily record your screen, record your animations, and here the capture area screenshot. Just select it, and here you just have to crop the area which you want to take the screenshot. So the second is that you just have to go to settings and enable some settings. So just go for shortcuts and accessibility settings, and here you will get the super screenshot. Just tap on it, and here you have to turn on gesture screenshot, and after turning on it you just have to read the down description. Here's the swipe down with three fingers to take a quick screenshot of the whole screen. Swipe down with three fingers and hold or tap and hold with three fingers to take quick area screenshot. So let's try this. You just have to swipe down your screen with your three fingers. So just like this, and after that it will take a screenshot of your phone. And here's the last way. You just have to open your phone settings, and here just go to main settings. In main settings just look for shortcuts and accessibility again, and here you have to look for easy touch. Just select it, and you might have to enable the settings and you will get this type gray ball of your phone. You can easily move this one. You just have to tap on it to select different features. You can easily take screenshot, screen record, and here are touch and many or more. You just have to tap on screenshot if you want to take a screenshot of your phone. But if you don't want to do them, also you have a last way which you can easily install a third-party application for the purpose. Just open Play Store app, and here just go for search and just search for randomly search for screenshot. Just search for it and you will get a list of screenshot app. You might have to look the best app for your phone, and here's I recommend you have to install this app because it has 4.7 ratings and here 100 million plus downloads. So just tap on install and the app will be installed on your phone. You can easily take screenshot, record your screen using the app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.